Hello guys, welcome to our channel, Tech Tricks World. In this video, we are going to show you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Before we go ahead, I would request you to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever we upload a new video. Okay, let's start. When you open Google Sheets, you see these grid lines that is good for calculations and maintaining the data in a proper way. But sometimes, you may need to remove the grid line for certain purpose. Let's see how to do this. Go to View menu, then go to Show and untick Grid Lines. You will see that the grid lines are removed. But the problem here is it removes the grid lines of whole page. You cannot remove it for certain part this way. In that case, we can try something different. Select the area from which you want to hide the grid lines. Go to Borders and select this option, and change the border color to white. This will make the border white, and this way, the grid lines will not show there. So this is how you can remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and share. Also, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.